Hello everybody, I will show you in this video how to fix Pinterest sound problem easy and quick. First you have to open your settings of your phone, open here your apps option, search for Pinterest right now. Open it and come directly open here your storage. Click on clear cache and go back now, click on force stop. Click OK, come to permission option, give permission to all of these options that you see here. Right now what you should do, just restart your phone, then you will see that your problem is being solved. So that's all, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next video.